Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving into the Dorman 590-950 rear park assist camera, a game changer for Ram owners looking to enhance their vehicle's safety and convenience. Let's get straight to the point. If you've got a damaged or malfunctioning OEM camera in your Ram 1500 Classic, 1500, 2500, 3500, 4000, 4500, or 5500 from 2016 to 2019, this little gadget is your ideal replacement. What sets it apart? Well, for starters, its construction screams durability. With a high-quality, wide-angle lens boasting a 170-degree real angle of view, you're getting crystal-clear resolution and unparalleled visibility, even in challenging conditions. Plus, the additional electronics protection ensures reliability no matter the weather or road conditions. Installation? A breeze. Simply plug it into your vehicle's wiring using the factory-style connector. No need for complicated setups or extra tools. And rest assured, this camera has been put through the ringer with try-on, on-vehicle, and salt spray testing, guaranteeing top-notch fit and durability. But here's the cherry on top: it's not just about function, it's about compatibility too. Just punch in your make, model, and trim level into the garage tool to ensure a perfect fit. In a nutshell, the Dorman 590-950 rear park assist camera is a must-have upgrade for any Ram owner serious about safety and convenience. Say goodbye to blind spots and hello to peace of mind on the road. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.